Hey, this is Chuck from Brady Adventures, and I am getting ready to install my Alu-Cab drop slide. So one interesting thing about the slide is it doesn't come with any directions, but it does come with this bag of stuff. So there's a lot of rivets holding the tray onto the sliding mechanism, so I think that these are just in case any of those break off. I'm not even sure what these little caps are for. I just feel like there's something I should be doing with these, but whatever. What I'm gonna do back here, I'm gonna get some holes drilled in here for these T-nuts. So here's a real close-up of the T-nut. See, it has these real sharp prongs, and that pulls up into the wood. It won't spin, and you can tighten that bolt right down. I got 1/4-20 by 7/8 inch, and the reason I got this very specific size was because my drawers are made out of 3/4 inch plywood, so I wanted it to be just enough where it wasn't going to go down into the drawer area, but it was going to be enough to just get through the wood and the slide and the washers. You can find links to all this hardware in the description below, or also on our website at bradyadventures.com. What I need to make sure is just right is that when this comes and folds down, that it doesn't actually make any contact here. I'm going to get this all positioned and then mark the holes and start drilling. One way to get these hammered in is to put the T-nut in from the bottom and then screw the screw down in it. Kind of get it started. Holds it nice and snug so you can easily hammer it. Drawers sliding without touching the T-nuts at all, so that's great. And then drill these middle holes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more to go. I've got all of these guys in. So now I'm going to use stainless steel screw with a lock washer and a washer. So good. It's sticking on. Guess what? There's definitely something in there. But look how smooth these are now. They're totally flush. These last few in there. Alright, check it out, they're all in. So I'm ready to throw a fridge in here. I'm pretty sure they don't intend you to use all of the bolt holes that you can, but I did. I used 14, which is, I think, is going to be way more than it would ever need. 2 I couldn't do because there's wood missing, but other than that, this really mounted perfectly. You can see how the feet are right there. Doesn't hit the drawer there. Let's just... One of the things you notice when you get this in is that it doesn't really want to operate smoothly when there's no weight on it. I think it's just because the tracks that it's running on are really tightly configured, and I think that's on purpose so that once you get that weight of the fridge on there, that it's not gonna move too quickly back and forth. It's just nice and smooth. It really cleans itself up and how it operates once you have that weight on. One of the other videos that I've seen that Andrew St. Pierre is in the Metaltech GX470. It looked like he was having all kinds of issues, and it even made me hesitate a little bit on my purchase of this. Now I've got the weight on it, and it really runs smoothly, and you'll see that in our upcoming walk around video. If you like this video, please give us the thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.